while the first coat of Hammerite is drying, I'm going to do some veins on the skirting board. So I've got scumble glaze. We only need a very, very small amount. And a tiny, tiny little bit of black. And give that a mix up. Let's make sure that's the right colour briefly. Then got damp cloth ready, and my feather, my Lala Cells peacock's feather, and we'll dip it into and create the veins very carefully. And if we don't like it, we can just wipe it off until we get the right effect. I'm having to work by torchlight again because we're in the middle of a thunderstorm, but that's not going to stop work. I've done the veins around this piece here, and actually here we've got a crack in the wood, so I'm going to try and disguise it. And like I've said before, if I don't like it, we just wipe it off. I don't like that, so we'll just wipe that off. I don't want too many veins, just some very faint ones. I'll go back to that end one in a minute, because the veins in the marble of the fireplace are very, very faint. In fact, that one's so faint I can't see it, so I'll just go over that one again. I really don't like that one. Maybe we won't be able to disguise that after all. I think for the moment that's enough, and if I stand back, I'll stand back and let it dry and see if any more need adding. But like we said, it's just a very subtle effect that we're going for. I've just sealed the baseboards and put the covers back on the sockets, and I think they're looking rather nice now. So the veining's finished on there, and I think that the titanium look of the sockets is the right colour for this room. I can show you a better one in the light over here. I have still got their plastic on them, just in case I splash any paint from above. But that's half of them done on this side of the room. I just can't do the other side at the moment because Adrian needs to move the radiators, so I can do the marble effect first. And in the meantime, I'm working on the mouldings at the top. Not a very nice job. It's quite irritating not being able to find the pieces that fit, but having to remold them instead. But we'll get there.
Well, Cal's disappeared. I'm hoping she's in. Oh, I can hear something going on. Feet up, what's all this? Explain.
Welcome to our lounge.
You tried managing.
Well, people are always saying that I need to sit back and relax after a long, hard day's work. So that's what I'm doing.
Good for you.
So this is our beautiful lounge with the most comfortable seats in the world. Anyway, we've been given NordVPN. This is a promotion, but do not switch off because there's some really amazing unseen footage of Adrian.
Thank you, darling.
It's coming up.
You're using that footage, thank you.
Anyway, NordVPN has servers around the world which gets around the annoying restrictions which allows me to watch English TV. Yes, I get EastEnders again. While he gets peace and quiet, I get to put my feet up and just shut off from Chateau work, all with the knowledge that it's secure and our data is protected. It's a shame Bethany and I didn't have it back earlier in the year because we were here sat with my phone, or her phone, watching the Queen's Jubilee. It wasn't ideal, but now we can have the historical events like this and have the real Queen playing at the Chateau instead of Adrian prancing around like Freddie Mercury in the salon. Cut to this clip. I thought Adrian was out for a run, but I've heard this really strange noise coming through the salon. Oh my god. What on earth was that?
Well, it didn't work singing in the shower, so I thought I'd try it in the salon.
Oh, you crack me up. Not even the cat's wondering in amazement what on earth is going on.
Well, I'm hoovering it for you.
It's about time you did some clearing up.
All I can hear is Queen in my ears. Oh no! Right.
But carry on, you're doing a great job. And if you want to carry on singing,
I want to break free from the salon as well as singing. I need to go out. I'm going running.
so after that really embarrassing clip of Adrian, you can try NordVPN with a 30-day money-back guarantee. It's all risk-free. Not only that, if you use the code Chateau Ferte, you'll receive an extra 4 months free if you sign up for 2 years. Find the link below and also in the descriptions, and for more details you can visit their website.
Well, slowly getting there. Bit more, a couple more hours actually, just chipping away. Then I can get onto the other side. So hopefully I can get that finished tomorrow. And I believe you're on this. Oh, you're on the other side now. The other side, the first coat's dried.
First coat on the other side is dried.
Good.
So I'm just putting the first coat on this side before I go to bed.
Yeah, it's getting late.
It is getting late. Hence the spotlight. But then that means I can do both second coats tomorrow.
Brilliant. Yes.
And I'm actually quite pleased with how it's going on now. I've got used to the paints. It's a bit sticky like.
It's a bit gold.
You should see it glowing in the sun this afternoon. Wow.
I did actually, yes. Well, I'll leave you with that.
Now we just need to find a gold knob.
Well, they're very difficult to find, aren't they? Especially a large gold knob. But perhaps we might suddenly come across it when we're not even really looking.
Oh, brilliant.
Oh, power cut. What's going on?
Are you there?
Praise the Lord. Right, carry on then. I'll go and get us dessert out of the fridge.
I actually think you might have to stand around and dance. Keep the light on.
I am never going to dance again after you videoed me. It's not happening. Another thing I forgot to mention, while we were out with Terry and Ash doing the pecan shopping, didn't really get anything really much, but then we went on to one of, well, I think it's one of Terry's favourite pecans actually. What's it called? Where is it?
It's just down the road from Terry's.
It's in Prey and Powell, isn't it?
A bit further on.
Is it? Right.
Yeah.
I can't remember the name of it.
Sergei's,
is it? Anyhow. So Terry and Carol stumbled across this, which could work really well at the back of the fireplace. You know, I'm taking out the log burner and we're going for a proper real fire. It'd be good to have something at the back anyhow. And size-wise, it seemed about right. I'll measure it up properly. But it was a bargain. I mean, I think it was, what was it, 20 euros? Solid. Well, it's out of a fireplace. But yeah, hopefully I'll give that a, that's my department again, a clean. And get that in next week. Right, moment of truth. Carol's decided she wants, oh, here we go. Hello, Goldilocks.
This is the back, but the back's had 2 coats, so I just want to see what it looks like against the colour. These weigh a ton.
Why don't you video? I'll put it up. I've got my makeup on. I look all right.
It's more than I've got. I can do it.
You can do it. Oh,
Oh yes. Hold on.
I'm holding.
Right. Quite literally.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
I'm gonna shut it.
as you said, it will be the other way round. There's better details on the other side. And I will stand back and yeah.
Does it look amazing?
Fantastic.
I've got a little bit of a problem though.
We don't do problems.
You know we've got no door handle this side.
We will have in a minute because I'm just about to do it.
I can't reach it to open the door.
Oh, and I can't reach it either, so it looks like you're stuck. Looks great. Well done, darling. I'll get the other one finished and then you can paint it.
Afternoon, we're celebrating Mother's birthday. Oh, I won't tell you her age. We are at Bloom's Cafe. She's been here once before and she thought it was so beautiful that we thought we'd bring her back. Adrian's stuck at work so he can't join us, but we have here Alf, as you've seen him before. He's not gardening today. This is my brother Stuart, you've seen before. His partner Lynn and their little girl Elizabeth. And of course, birthday girl. And this is my sister Sarah, who no one's seen before. But we are having a beautiful afternoon tea. It's all pink and flowery, but they just want to dig in. So happy birthday, Mum. Enjoy.
Happy birthday.
Did you hear what I said?
I did, Mother. You said.
I said this is the sort of thing that happens when you've got a beautiful family.
Okay.
Yeah, they're coming later.
And we all have the same sense of humour.
Right, back from the UK last night. Late last night we got in. That was a long 5 days actually, but we did get a lot of things sorted out over there, which we needed to do. Carol also did pick up some great little things for the salon, which she'll explain later on when I get all this emptied into the salon. And also with Val's birthday, that was a great trip. So, and she personally just asked me to say a big thank you to everyone for all the messages she got through. So a big thanks on that. And I think we brought the English weather back because yesterday I had sunny 24 degrees here, and today when we arrive it's well, let's just say it's raining a lot. But anyhow, let's get unloaded.